Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of truly wireless earbuds with the Boat Airdopes 141. These earbuds have been creating quite a buzz lately, so let's see what they're all about. The Boat Airdopes 141 TWS earbuds come in this sleek charging case that's not just stylish, but also compact enough to fit in your pocket. They feature Bluetooth 5.0 for a stable wireless connection and come with touch controls for easy navigation. One of the standout features of the Airdopes 141 is their impressive battery life. With up to 3.5 hours of playback on a single charge and an additional 24 hours from the case, you can enjoy your music all day long without worrying about running out of juice. These earbuds are designed for comfort with ergonomic ear tips that provide a secure fit, making them perfect for workouts or everyday use. Plus, they're IPX4 rated, so they can handle sweat and splashes without any issues. Now let's talk about sound quality. The Boat Airdopes 141 deliver crisp highs and punchy bass, creating an immersive listening experience whether you're listening to your favorite tracks or taking calls. Speaking of calls, these earbuds feature built-in microphones with environmental noise cancellation, ensuring clear and distortion-free calls even in noisy environments. Pairing the Airdopes 141 with your device is quick and easy thanks to instant pairing technology. Once paired, they automatically connect to your device when you take them out of the case, making them hassle-free to use. Overall, the Boat Airdopes 141 TWS earbuds offer a great combination of style, comfort, and performance at an affordable price point. Whether you're a music enthusiast or someone who needs reliable earbuds for calls and workouts, these could be a perfect fit for you. That wraps up our review of the Boat Airdopes 141 TWS earbuds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.